It's slippery. Whoa! Be careful. Running and sliding on the snow. That's the icy version of throwing a snowball. Carter, where's your face? You can hardly see it. Look at Mommy. There you are.
Oh, here's a glove. Is that your glove? Hey, Daddy, is this big enough? You go. How big you want it?
Need a big one.
That's the bottom one.
We're going to have to make it medium size.
Make a little snowman.
Yeah. Okay, let this be the bottom. Yours be the next one. Okay, Papa, yours is big enough.
Just a little snowball head.
Just a little, Papa.
What?
Papa's is bigger. His is going to have to be the middle.
Okay, let Papa's be the middle.
Okay, here we go.
Here, Carter. Hey.
In the middle.
Okay, look, Carter.
I'm gonna put some hot water on my hands.
Use a hand.
Carter,